Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage liquidity pools with Aave, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin your journey with managing liquidity pools on Aave, first, ensure you have a compatible wallet set up and funded with Ethereum. Visit the Aave website and click on the Enter App button to access the platform. Once inside the application, make sure to connect your wallet by selecting the wallet icon typically located at the top right corner. Choose your wallet type from the available options, and follow the prompts to establish the connection. After successful connection, navigate to the liquidity section, which should be easily visible on the dashboard. Here, you will see a list of available liquidity pools and their respective details, including APY, total liquidity, and risk factors. Select the pool you are interested in, and click on it to view more in-depth information. Review the pool details carefully, including the assets involved and the associated risks. If you decide to add liquidity, locate the deposit button, usually positioned in the pool information area. Choose the amount of liquidity you wish to provide by entering the desired token amount. Confirm your selection and review the transaction details, ensuring everything aligns with your intentions. Once satisfied, initiate the transaction by clicking the Deposit or Approve button. Your wallet will prompt you to confirm the transaction, so be sure to approve it to proceed. After the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, your liquidity will be added to the pool. To manage your liquidity, return to the liquidity section at any time to view your positions. From here, you can also withdraw your liquidity by selecting the relevant option next to your deposited assets. Follow the prompts to specify the amount you wish to withdraw and confirm the transaction in your wallet. Lastly, always monitor the performance of your liquidity pools and adjust your strategy as needed based on market conditions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.